Hello friends, I'm back. Today we'll be doing a care collab with some fellow YouTubers including Fernanda Nascimento orchids and succulents, plants and other things, and of course ninja orchids. Just to go over the different ways we take care of this beauty, which is Bletilla Striata, which is a hardy ground orchid. Naturally found in Asia, including China, Japan, as well as Myanmar. As you can see, it grows in soil, which is what I grow it in, with lots of perlite, as well as some sand. It has a few other names like the Chinese ground orchid, as well as the Hyacinth Orchid. I got this bulb in June of 2020, and I keep it on a southwest facing window. It does get drafts in the winter, and that led the leaves to die back. And then in the early spring, they pop right back up, ready to go. My care for this plant has been pretty lax. I water about once a week and fertilize about once every 2 weeks, but it seems to be okay with that. This bulb here I got from Brex in a set for color variety, and I'm really excited to see these flowers one day. Take a look. I think these bulbs are so cool looking. In addition, this one here has a new growth coming. This one will be planted outside on my balcony, which is southwest facing and gets quite a lot of light, but there's a shady area where it will do just fine. This bulb I'll be planting in semi-hydro in leca and growing indoors under LED lights with all of my other epiphytic orchids, and we'll see how that turns out as well. So this is just going to be a quick pot up into semi-hydro. I have my cup which has a hole that I drilled, and I'll be filling it partially up with leca. Now I'll place the bulb and add my gravel on top just to avoid the top dry layer that leca tends to give. And that's it. In a few months, I hope to make some update videos and see how the different growing methods compared, and I hope we have blooms from at least one. Be sure to check out the links in the description to see the other care collab videos from my friends who also did their videos on the Bletilla Striata. And as always, thank you for watching. See you next time.